Hi everyone, I'm Vahagan from the customer experience team, and today I'm going to show you the options of downloading data from our platform via the UI. So the first option is that you can download data from the download section. Here you can press the prepare download button, and here filter the images that you want to download via their statuses or the pin status, and choose whether you want to include the fused images in your export or not. You can also download the data in COCO format, COCO object detection, and instance segmentation formats, to be more precise. So after you press prepare, you'll get the data prepared here, and you can download it by pressing the download button. And here you can see the data has been downloaded. So the second option that you can prepare the export from the Explorer tab, um, here by typing a query and finding the items you want to download. You can select them and press the download button from here. So after pressing it, you'll be redirected to the download section, and here you can see the new data prepared um, from the Explorer tab. And you can also find the Get the Dataset link button here. This is a link that you can copy and share with other contributors of your team to download the data you have already queried. So this is the options of downloading data from the UI. We also have some SDK functions you can use for downloading the data from our platform and using them in your pipelines, but we'll talk about it later. So thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our YouTube channel not to miss our upcoming videos. Goodbye.